What if plastic bricks could rewrite history? In 2007, a French president declared Africa had never entered history. Today, a radical response emerges from an unlikely tool, Lego Technic. Not in Denmark, but across Africa, builders are reconstructing lost civilizations brick by brick. Meet Isaac M., known as Brick Isaac, who spent 6 months building a 1.2-meter Lego model of Great Zimbabwe. His creation weighs 12 kilograms and uses over 15,000 bricks, including Technic gears to simulate the ancient city's rotating watchtowers. This isn't just play. It's rebellion. The movement began quietly in 2023 when African historians and Lego fans started combining academic research with plastic bricks. They chose Lego Technic for its engineering potential. Pneumatic tubes became water channels in Mali's irrigation systems. Axles recreated the pulley mechanisms of Songhai's gold mines. The National Museum of African Art in Washington, D.C. took notice, exhibiting these MOCs in 2024 under the title Rebuilding Africa. But why Lego? The answer lies in accessibility. These builders are mostly self-taught historians from Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa who share their work digitally, reaching over 2 million viewers. Hidden in their models are QR codes linking to lectures by professors from the University of Ibadan. Yet controversy follows. Some call it trivialization. When Brick Isaac unveiled Great Zimbabwe, traditionalists accused him of turning sacred stone into child's play. Others see irony in using a Danish toy to reclaim African narratives. The Lego group itself remains silent, fueling speculation about corporate hesitance. But the builders persist. In Ghanaian classrooms, students now learn about the Ashanti Kingdom through Lego dioramas. Zimbabwe's tourism board considers using Isaac's model to promote the actual ruins. This is more than hobbyism. It's historical justice, one click at a time. As the sun sets over a Lego reconstruction of Ghana's ancient capital, illuminated by 3D printed topography from 1980s excavations, one truth becomes clear: history isn't just written. It's built.